Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I will be talking about the highest integer power of some integer and another integer when it is equivalent to a factorial number. Here, m into 3 to the power of a into 7 to the power of b is equal to a very big factorial number, 6-digit factorial number which cannot be solved easily without using the number theory theorems. We have to find out a plus b when some m into 3 to the power of a into 7 to the power of b is equal to 999999 factorial. 999999 factorial. Very big number, very large number. Very large factorial. We have to find out here m is not divisible by 3 and 7. That means whatever this 999999 factorial is divisible by 3 to the power of a, it is the highest power. It is the highest power of 3. Highest power of 3. A is. B is highest power of 7. We have to find out the values of highest power of 3 into highest power of 7, and when highest power of 3 and highest power of 7 in form of a and b are found out, we have to find out the value of a plus b. This can be found out by using Legendre formula. Legendre's theorem. It cannot be easily found out, it cannot be easily found out because in a simple factorial like 10 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. In this itself, if you want to know the power of 3, you just see here 3 is there, here 3 is there, here 3 is there. That means power of 3 is 4, highest power of 3. And highest power of 2 is also high. That means the highest power means we have to find out the all the factorials, all the factors which have 3 as a multiple. Just for 10 factorial, a is 4 and b is equal to 1. If it is a million factorial like this, how to find out? Can we find out in the manual way? It's not possible. Hence, we use the Legendre theorem to find out the highest power of 3 and highest power of 7 in a given factorial, a million factorial, which is in millions. Let's go and solve this problem. Question given is find a plus b is equal to how much if m into 3 to the power of a into 7 to the power of b is equal to 999999 factorial, where m is not divisible by 3 and 7. That means a and b are highest solution. Let us try to find out. As m is not divisible by 3 and 7, a and b are the highest powers of 3 and 7 in this 9999999999 factorial. It's a very huge number. Then we will use the Legendre theorem. Legendre's theorem says there are two ways of solving it. Legendre's theorem says the shortcut I will be giving at the end of the lecture. We will go in the usual regular manner to find out a plus b using Legendre theorem. Then the shortcut I will be giving at the end of the lecture. As per Legendre theorem, for any factorial n, the exponential of factorial n is equal to summation of m is greater than or equal to 1 n by p to the power of m. This is the greatest integer. This is Legendre theorem. Now what we have to find out? Because here we have to find out the powers. To find highest power of 3. A is equal to how much? This is our question. First, let us find out highest power of 3. From the Legendre theorem, here n is equal to 999999. And highest power of 3. Here divisor is 3. What is the divisor? P is equal to 3. Which implies the greatest integer of 999999 by 3 is equal to 333333. Greatest integer of 999999 by 3 square is equal to 11111. And greatest integer of 999999 by 3 cube. What is the value of 999999 by 27? 37037. Then 99 greatest integer of 999999 by 3 to the power of 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.6, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 999999 by 3 to the power of 5 greatest integer is equal to greatest integer of 4115.2, that is equal to 4115. Greatest integer of 999999 by 3 to the power of 6 is equal to 1371.7, that is equal to 1371. Then 999999 by 3 to the power of 7 is equal to, it's very easy to do. You have to just divide by 3 each time. Whatever number you get, that you divide by 3. Then 999999 by 3 to the power of 8 is equal to 152.4, that is equal to 152. Then 999999 by 3 to the power of 9 is equal to greatest integer of 50.8, that is equal to 50. And next is 999999 by 3 to the power of 10 is equal to 16.9 greatest integer, that is equal to 16. Then 999999 by 3 to the power of 11 is equal to 5.6 greatest integer, that is equal to 5. Then 999999 by 3 to the power of 12 greatest integer is equal to 1.8, that is equal to 1. Then 999999 by 3 to the power of 13 is equal to 0.6, that is equal to 0. Stop here. When you get the 0 value, stop. Then you add all these values, whatever you have got, because it is sum of n by p to the power of m. This value, 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 this and this and this. Therefore, sum is equal to, what is the summation? Double three plus double one plus 37037 plus 12345 plus 4115 plus 1371 plus 457 plus 152 plus 50 plus 16 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0, that is equal to 499 993. This is equal to A, because it is the highest power of 3. Now, next is to find out highest power of 7. B is equal to how much? Now, similar way we will go 999999 by 7, greatest integer. One 142,857. Then this divided by 7 again. 999999 by 7 square. That is equal to 20408.1. Greatest integer, that is equal to 20408. Now 999999 by 7 cube. Greatest integer 2915.4. Greatest integer is 2915. Then 999999 by 7 to the power of 4, that is equal to 416.9, that is equal to 416. Double nine by 999999 by 7 to the power of 5, that is equal to 59. Greatest integer of 59.4, that is equal to 59. Next 999999 by 7 to the power of 6 is equal to 8.4. Greatest integer, that is equal to 8. Then next is 999999 by 7 to the power of 7 is equal to 1.2. Greatest integer is equal to 1. Then 999999 by 7 to the power of 8 is equal to 0.17, that is equal to 0. Here you stop the iteration here. Now what is the value of B then? Sum of this and this. Therefore B is equal to 142,857 plus 20408 plus, what are the other numbers? 2915 plus 416 2915 plus 416 plus 59 plus 8 plus 1, that is equal to 166,664. 166,664. That implies B is equal to 166,664. Already we have found what is the value of A. A is 499,993. 499,993. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 666,657. This is the answer. This is the answer. Provided A and B are positive integers, A, B are greater than 0, and M is not divisible by 3 and 7. This is the answer. Now, I promised you that I will give the shortcut to you. How to find out this value? Shortcut. Please remember this. The shortcut is very useful. Here we are dealing with the powers. Another formula, the Legendre equivalent. Legendre formula's equivalent is VP. This is the power of that particular number. For understanding what is VP, please refer to my earlier lectures on number theory. I have explained in clear. N minus SPN divided by P minus 1. Here we know what is N, what is P, but what is SPN? SPN is nothing but sum of the digits when N is converted to base 3 from base 10. We are using the decimal system. Usually that will be base 10. We will be converting that number into base 3. Then we take the sum of the digits. For example, how to convert a number into other base? We have to find out the remainder. We have to find out the remainder and write it in the backward way, so that we will get the required base. For example, here 999999 is of base 10. Convert this to base 3. Now, let us divide 999999 by 3. That gives how much value? 3333333. What is the remainder? Remainder is equal to 0. Then we will take this value and again divide by 3. 333333 divided by 3. That will be 111111. Remainder is equal to 3. Now we will take this value here and we will divide by 3. 111111 by 3. That will be 37037. Remainder is 0. Now we will take 37037 divided by 3. What happens? 37037 1 2 3 4 5, and what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Then we will take this value 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 3. What will be its value? 4115. Remainder is equal to 0. Then we will take this value and divide by 3. 4115 divided by 3. 1371 and remainder is 2. We will take this 1371 and divide by 3. You just see 1371 divided by 3. 457. Remainder is 0. Then we will take this value 457 and divide by 3. Little bit lengthy, but however it is worth doing it. 152. Remainder is 1. Then we will take this 152 and divide by 3, that is equal to 50 and remainder is 2. Then we will take this 50 divide by 3, that is equal to 16, remainder is 2. Then we will take this 16, then it will be 5, remainder is 1. And again we will take this 5 divided by 3, that is 1 and remainder is 2. And we will take this 1 divided by 3, that is remainder is equal to 1. Now we will write all the remainders in the reverse direction. We will write all the remainders in the reverse direction. That means 999999 to the base 10 is equal to 12122 12122 10202 10202 0003 000 to the base 3. The sum of the digits is equal to, what is the sum of the digits? One plus two plus one plus two plus one plus two plus two plus one plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. That is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 plus 4, 13. This is to the base 3. Now, what is the formula? Vp for base 3 is exponentials, maximum highest exponential Vp for base 3 for 9999 factorial is equal to n minus spn. N is 999999 minus sp3 is equal to 13 whole divided by p minus 1. P is 3 here, 3 minus 1. P is equal to 3. That is equal to 999986 999986 by 2. What is its value? 999986 divided by 2. 499,993. Just to see whether we have got the same value previously. A is equal to 499,993. Similarly, as a homework, find out Vp when P is equal to 7, 999999 factorial is equal to how much in above method. First method I have explained, this is the shortcut method in this, and ensure that B is equal to, cross check that B is equal to 166,664. Here I have explained two methods, hence A plus B in the shortcut method also 666657. I have explained two methods. One is Legendre theorem, another is finding out the digit sum. Legendre theorem coupled with digit sum. These two are explained here. I want to stop this lecture now, and this type of questions, if they come in the examination, please do them with confidence. This example is for understanding the concepts. To find whatever bigger the number may be, factorial, then we have to convert it into powers of required, highest powers of required numbers, and we can find the highest powers of required numbers, and we can find out A plus B when it is 3 or 7, or it can be 5 or 11, whatever is asked in the examination. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. If there is a value addition because of this lecture to you, kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Maths and Science by IITian. Thank you for listening to me. Best of luck.